Today I tried this viral hack of how to clean iron plate using toothpaste, some baking soda and dishwashing soap. First of all, gather all the materials. Create a paste by combining equal parts toothpaste and baking soda. Add a small amount of dishwashing liquid to the mixture. Spread the paste onto the iron plate, focusing on areas with stubborn stains or residue. Turn on the iron and allow the paste to sit on the iron plate for about 5 minutes. This gives the ingredients time to break down grime. Turn the iron off. Use the sponge to gently scrub the iron plate. Check the iron plate for any remaining stains. If needed, repeat the process until the plate is clean. Dampen the soft cloth and wipe away the paste residue. This will remove the loosened dirt and grime from the iron plate. Rinse the cloth and wipe the iron plate again to ensure no cleaning residue remains. Ensure the iron is completely dry before using it again to prevent any water-related issues. Remember, this method is suitable for basic cleaning. If your iron has specific care instructions, consult the manufacturer's guidelines.